taken place will also mirror the same. 14 cases, and such cases, if you were to see those cases, you would laugh over them. People have been arrested, ex-minister has been arrested in those cases, and every time that one case finishes, he gets a bail, you have another case booked on him, and today it has been 64th day, he's still languishing in jails. That is the plight of him. This is his daughter. What reply will Chandrababu's regime give to her for falsely booking such kind of cases? Another case, Prasanna. Please have a look at the house. Please have a look at the lady, who is an 83-year-old lady who's residing in the house. What right does anybody have to send 80 or 90 gundas, armed weapons, drunk in state, and come here and ransack the house? Had Prasanna been here in the house, he would have been killed. What action has been taken? None. None. In reverse, case has been booked against him. These are the instances, especially as far as the district, which have taken place in this district, which have been highlighted today by my visit. Several such instances have taken place in the past, which have been time and again repeatedly been highlighted by me. Why Chandrababu Naidu is resorting to such kind of practices? I mean, have you seen any government plug every road to stop people from coming? Such is the fear in him. He doesn't want people to come. He doesn't want people to express their anguish over Chandrababu's regime. Such is the fear in him, because he has failed in every promise he has given. It has been 14 months. Super 6 and Super 7, which have been his electoral promises, have gone for a toss. The entire governance has collapsed. The plight of the farmers, the plight of the students, miserable. The plight of women is even so miserable. This is the situation in Andhra Pradesh, and to make sure that this plight is not heard, this man is resorting to Red Book Constitution.
మరిన్ని ట్రెండింగ్ వీడియోల కోసం న్యూస్ 18 తెలుగు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.